Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, September 20, 2023 on our channel. Tefcold introduces 3 completely new product lines. Regional Workshop of the Cooling Program for Southern Africa, CooPSA, in Botswana. Carrier Commercial Refrigeration launches Refrigeration-as-a-Service. Vertiv further enhances manufacturing capacity for chilled water solutions. Atmosphere Europe Summit 2023 opens in Brussels. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Tefcold introduces 3 completely new product lines. Tefcold introduced 3 brand new product ranges that offer great display and storage capacity at a competitive price: the PC range of energy-efficient multi-deck coolers, the Atom Maxi range of display coolers, and the Atom Maxi range of display freezers. The PC range. The PC is a spacious multi-deck cooler with a low energy consumption, and you get a good quality for a competitive price. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Regional Workshop of the Cooling Program for Southern Africa, CooPSA, in Botswana. On 11 and September 12, 2023, focal points of climate change, ozone and energy departments of national ministries of Botswana, Eswatini, Namibia and South Africa, meaning 3 focal points per country, met to discuss with GIZ and GFA Consulting Group the status quo and way forward of the cooling program for Southern Africa, CooPSA. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Carrier Commercial Refrigeration launches Refrigeration-as-a-Service. Carrier Commercial Refrigeration, a leading supplier of high-efficiency refrigeration systems and services in the food, retail and cold storage industries, is collaborating with Relayer Incorporated to bring an innovative Refrigeration-as-a-Service (RaaS) offering to customers. With a jointly developed RaaS solution, food retailers no longer need to make upfront investments in refrigeration equipment and infrastructure. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Vertiv further enhances manufacturing capacity for chilled water solutions. Vertiv, a global provider of critical digital infrastructure and continuity solutions, unveiled an upgraded testing room at its thermal management center near Tagnana, Italy. This sizable investment significantly increases the facility's testing capacity and manufacturing capabilities in the existing space and demonstrates Vertiv's ongoing commitment to the advancement of chilled water systems to help drive liquid cooling adoption. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Atmosphere Europe Summit 2023 opens in Brussels. The 13th edition of the Atmosphere Europe Summit is now underway in Brussels. The 2-day event, held on September 19 to 20, 2023, brings together industry leaders, policymakers, and experts to discuss the latest trends and achievements in natural refrigerants technologies. The summit, taking place at Hotel La Plaza Brussels, features a comprehensive program that includes keynote presentations, policy developments, market updates, case studies, and end users' experiences. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.